Hey everyone, are you ready to unlock the power of AI and get swift results in your business and marketing? Let's face it, AI can seem confusing. You're probably tired of the jargon and want actionable strategies. That's where AI Swift Results comes in. I'm Alex Swift, and I'm here to break down AI and show you how to use the latest tools to supercharge your success. On this channel, you'll find easy-to-follow tutorials, exclusive tips and tricks, the latest AI trends, explained in plain English. Learn how to craft killer content with ChatGPT, create stunning visuals with Midjourney, automate your business for maximum efficiency. Ready to master AI the easy way? Hit that subscribe button right now and join the AI Swift Results community now.